to fix Snapchat stickers search not finding packs. So to fix Snapchat sticker search issues when packs or specific stickers fail to show up, what you can do is open your Snapchat app, then tap on your in the top left corner to open up your profile. Then tap settings in the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to privacy control section. Then tap clear data from it. Now tap clear cache at the bottom, then tap clear one more time to continue. Now it will ask you to restart your Snapchat app. Simply tap on OK to close it and then reopen it again. This forces the sticker library to re-index. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Snapchat app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version of Snapchat. Also check the keywords. Sticker search relies on specific metadata. Try using shorter, direct words like cat or heart instead of long phrases. Now if search fails, open the sticker drawer by tapping the sticker icon on the previous screen and swipe through categories or check your favorites tab. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.